new ECAD module. ZW3D 2021 provides a new ECAD module for PCB design and supports the import and export of IDF files. Now, let's take a look. Create PCB assembly. First of all, you need to switch to the one object per file mode. Then, you can see the ECAD module in the Create New File dialog. Now, the PCB assembly file is created. Create a new board. It's very similar to creating a sheet metal tab. First, create a closed object in the sketch level. Then, you will get an Extrude Tab. Okay, now it's done. Region definition is an important part during PCB design. To do it, we need to create a Cosmetic Sketch. Cosmetic Sketch is used to add some annotations, not to participate modeling process. Okay, now the Cosmetic Sketch is ready. Then we use the region set commands to define the regions. And these regions will be marked for mechanical design or electronic design. Region card is necessary for PCB design. All you need to do is defining a closed profile as a cutter. Then you can cut a board with a profile. Define hole attribute. In PCB design, some hole features possess specified attributes. Just create the hole features by hole and define the required attributes by add hole attributes command, including the plating style and owner. After finish the board design, return to the assembly level. The next step is to insert and assemble all the necessary components of the PCB board. With the ECAD module, more mechanical and electrical design work can be done in ZW3D.